Welcome back, broskies and sisters. On God, I remain your boy, man, the masquerade author, aka Naija Gangster. You fail me. Welcome back to another reaction video. We're still reacting to Naija TikTok compilation, bro. Try not to laugh edition. You feel me? I know I laughed on the previous video, but so what? Yeah, so what then? Come fight me like I said, on God. But anyways, man, like they said, is laughter is a good medicine for the soul. I don't know, but I just love to laugh sometimes. You feel me? But anyways, man, without wasting much of our time, we are going to be reacting to this. Um, try not to laugh. Naija TikTok compilation. I know I will laugh anyway, so it's fine. It's okay. Let's just check the video out and see if we can find some funny content on the shit. This one says featuring Don Jazzy. Okay, let's see. Let's see, because you know Don Jazzy like go crazy with the skits and shit. So yeah, man, let's go straight into it.
How old you dey? You don't begin the open leg. I think say you be virgin. Very useless woman.
Virgin.
Make I say the idiot will give you belly. If I no come out in neck today, make God take my life. Eh? As someone you be, you don't know who you open leg for. You see your life, you are a shame. Your mother would never be disappointed in you for grave. Idiot.
Mr. Man,
No what?
how are you?
Mama J.
Sorry to intrude. Are you the father of this beautiful young lady?
You know if you tell me.
Where from?
My brother. My brother. One thing about you see children. I don't notice say children are gift from God.
Okay. Very true.
You understand? What is the joy of a father? Not be to get grandchildren.
Mr. Man, why are you here with this cutlass?
Not be cutlass be this, oh. Not be cutlass, oh. My brother, you don't know say this girl is very industrious. As you say this girl na cake when they bake, you know get type of cake when no go fit bake. Ngwa look.
Not be juju be that.
Na cake.
Oh,
See am na.
it's a cake.
Na cake na.
You scared me, oh, and I saw you coming with cutlass like this.
No, not be cutlass.
Oh, no.
You are a child of light, aka.
See, okay, all these bakers, chef, or whatever. Make una take time because like I don't know what you'll be doing, man. Like you guys make cake out of anything. Very soon you will see a car and the car is a cake. You just go and just bite the door out and it's a cake. What is wrong with y'all, man? Y'all calm down, bro. Calm down, sissies and broskies on God, bro. Calm down on God. Before you know, you'll see a human being. You think it's a human being. It's a cake. You just go and bite the ear off. It's a cake. You're doing too much on God. Relax.
Imole.
Yeah, welcome. It's good to see that you're happy. Because me, when I heard this story, I was very, very sad.
What you dey sad for? No, that you not be small pikin. Eh? You don't reach me small children they run inside this compound.
No, I know.
Wait, does Don Jazzy actually have kids, bro? I don't think so. It could be he has kids and no one knows, or he doesn't have kids. But like, bro, like, it's none of my business. You feel me? But bro, like, come on now, bro. Like,
She's actually very attractive. But anyways, let me call my gate man.
Call her, make a serve us drink, make we eat the cake. What you there?
No, he is actually the father of the child. Ebuka!
This is nothing but a mad joke.
Ebuka!
of all the people in the world, it has to be this guy.
Hold this man.
Of all the people in the world, bro, it has to be this idiot. If that was me, the cake would turn back to cutlass immediately. On God.
The first place.
Who be this bastard?
Ebuka, come and meet your in-law.
Jesus.
Oh shit! I mean, give her belly.
Sir, like you said, children are gifts from God. Let's go inside and celebrate with the king.
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul. It is not well. Well, it is not well with my soul.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's what.
The man them too inconsiderate. 5-star hotel smoking cigarette mixing. Just one person.
Thank you very much, sir. We are so excited to see you today, sir. Sir, we heard that you are the most current richest footballer.
Perfect.
But sir, you are earning £100,000 in a week. Yes. Sir, how is this possible?
Through me playing and betting.
Really?
In that match, I played Dino to get red card in 1 minute.
That's astonishing.
Jesus. My cash out. And I won £100 million.
Wow.
In another match, I played Dino to wear native to the field. What is the meaning of this? Traditional. And I staked £50 million and I won £200 million. Amazing grace.
But sir, how are you? You just these 2 games.
No, I also played Dino to smoke shisha on the field.
Jehovah Jesus.
And I won £400 million.
Wow, impressive.
Do you know what?
Oh, sir.
I played referee to get injury. And I won, can you guess?
No, sir. No, sir.
£700 million.
But sir, how are you? There's an ongoing match going on right now. Yes. And I bet Dino to score 1.
I played Dino to miss that match. That's why I'm here.
Sir, I just confirm your signing. There's no by you. Book the nearest flight. Where's my phone? Where's the phone? Answer. I'm on the lineup for tomorrow match.
Very good.
Dino to score 3 own goal.
It's finished.
3.2 million hot. How much I go put?
When even the opponents.
Oh, that's mad, bro. It's yo. Did you know that there are some footballers who actually do this kind of shit? Like they bet their team to lose, and they go in there and put on a very shitty performance, and their team loses, and then they get paid, and then they get paid anyways. They get double money. They get paid from their team, and they get paid from the betting company. They make double money. That's crazy, bro. If I was a footballer, bro. Yeah, that's mad, bro. Oh damn, that's crazy. That's an idea for some footballers. You all should start doing that shit.
Failed to score. Maguire will score for them.
Maguire.
Bro, you know, see my girl.
Am I supposed to see her?
Yeah.
That's what I do for you.
She dey fine normal, so?
No be even about the beauty. Like, as a man, you know, see, if you walk up as woman, you can just check back, say, this yansh big go, you know, big go, you understand? You know, now my girl, and she get yansh, you see, she get yansh. But she knows they are missed as you.
Nyash. Now this flat thing, they call Nyash.
Who are you?
This one we flat like signboard.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
But there is Nyash though, you feel me? There is Nyash though. You can see the Nyash. It's, you know.
Babe, what's wrong? Is everything okay?
Nice, Harvey.
I'm done with you.
I don't get done.
Now get back.
Imagine that shit happens to you, bro. You think you have like the meanest body. You think you have like the baddest of all bodies, right? You walking in the street, you walk past a guy, and you check to see if the guy would turn and just take a peep. He doesn't turn. God damn, you would feel humbled, innit? You would feel like, oh shit, I thought I had the meanest body, but that's crazy, dude. That's crazy, dude. That's bad. Do guys really do that shit though? Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow.
Run.
Yo, 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 that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. How many of you heard these rumors back in the day that Nigerian played Indian and Indian beat Nigeria 99-1? And they said if Nigeria could only score one goal, they would win. I forgot who they said scored the goal. He kicked the ball and the ball no, the ball he wanted to kick the ball and the ball turned to a stone, to a rock, and he kicked it and he died, but he scored. I believe that story, bro. I think, bro, if you was born in the 90s, we all believe that story. We all heard that story, and we all believed that story. And we said, and they said that was the reason why Indian didn't play football. But that's actually that was not the reason. It's just because Indians are very bad at football. But we all believe that story, bro. That's bad, bro. Cheers. Yeah. Holy. Yeah. She's an Ogbanje. She's I don't know if she's an Ogbanje in this skit, but in real life, bro, that's an Ogbanje. She looks too fine to be real. That's an Ogbanje on God.
This man.
See, Pew. Hey yo. Hey yo, that's
Wait, listen, is that not your ex-boyfriend? Where?
Nigerian girls fine, bro. Nigerian girls are just too fine, bro. Like what the fuck is going on? Yeah, relax, bro. Fuck.
Where?
I beg, why not put go
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Don't follow me around. I'm done with this relationship. I moved on.
Really, nigga?
Oh, so you think I'm one of those girls that you can have anytime you want? Let me disappoint you. Nothing is ever going to happen between us.
Access granted.
On trace.
Like this? Why you like this? No, I don't like all these things.
You know how to get my mumu button.
Now you are talking.
Bro, that shit is so relatable, bro. Oh God. If you've never had an ex like that you could just tap her Momo button, bro. Yeah, you've never lived life. Oh God, bro. That shit is so relatable, man. You know how you guys break up? You break up and you're like, I'm done, blah 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 blah. And you just be like, man, what's up? Tap, 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 tap. Can I pull over? No, don't pull over. You just say like a very sneak peek type shit. And she's like, all right, you pull over him, and then you zoom off again, and then you don't chat, you don't talk until like another time where you like, da, 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 da. And, bro, that shit is so relatable, bro. Ex, nah. If you get in a relationship with somebody, especially even if it's a guy or a girl, bro, and they still talk to their exes, be careful, bro. They're doing some sneaky link behind your back. On God, we know this shit, bro. Come on now. What comes after X? Y. What comes after Y? Z. What does Z mean? It's Zebe.
How about my bro?
Oh my God.
I be my borrow your gas maize and roast cooked beans.
I need the rush cook beans. Come on.
You don't gas me.
How you want rush cook beans with gas? Are you serious, bro? Hell nah. The fuck? Beans, those kind of beans, bro, those kind of beans where you have to soak them. Like if you want to cook them, you soak them today and tomorrow you cook them. Or you cook them tonight. No, you cook them today by 6 p.m. in the evening, and tomorrow you eat it by say 10, 11, or 12 in the morning. That's crazy. Those small beans, they are stubborn. But I love it though. I love those beans, bro. My mom used to do that shit. My mom used to make the once in a long while because it take ages until they are ready. That's mad. But hey, I love those beans, bro. The small brown beans, my favorite. My grandma used to do that shit too. Rest in peace to grandma. Yeah, man. Lit. Man, I won't even say nothing. I won't even say nothing, bro, because the nyash was nyashing for real. So yeah, it's okay that you made that stupid mistake, but the nyash was nyashing. It was worth it. It was worth it. Fuck.
Baby,
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm excited.
Are you not happy to meet my dad?
Let him confess. I'll decide if I'll be happy.
Yes, my
My daughter.
daddy.
Why your papa the wish shepherd?
My son. The gods of Ucho have accepted you.
Ucho, thank you. You know person.
What be this?
Babe, you know tell me say your papa the write book.
Book what? This is my bride price now.
When no be say I come gym.
Just a play.
Maybe it's just big. It might be cheap. You want to prank me? I love your daughter. You want to prank me? God, please let it be prank. Let it be prank. 140 million.
Jesus.
For Ogechi. This Ogechi. If you notice what this Ogechi they do, I apply price not at 25. Icho, this one joke. I'm not doing again. So I take.
The God have accepted you. Why the shout? You told me this man has money. Are you not
doing forex? Am I doing forex? Is it my money I'm used to do forex? Don't you know about consummate traders? Yes, it's a company that gives forex traders money to trade.
So this is an advert, not just a skit. This is an advert. But it's cool though. If it's funny, innit?
They fund you, you trade, and they pay you bi-weekly.
Ezioku. So I can do it?
Yes, of course. Before you kill somebody with price, all you have to do is click link in my bio, you sign up, you go to get funded, they fund you, you start trading, and they pay you bi-weekly. That's all. That's how the founders, Jeffrey Benson and Abby Forex, that's how they make their money now.
Wonderful.
Yes. See you later. Bye. Where are you going?
The gods have accepted you must marry her.
I gotta go punish the gods.
God go punish you too.
You know what? Now you be God of it too. If you're not happy, oh, what do you mean? Now you go marry Ogechi.
Icho.
How dare you?
My in-law.
My son.
Happy married life.
In-law Makpamina. Ode.
That is crazy, bro. Yeah, my bad. I was just checking out something real quick. Oh, well, hey, nah, that's funny, bro. That's funny. The gods must be crazy. But see, you people that are playing with the gods of and our ancestors, you better stop doing whatever that shit is you're doing. Don't play with the gods, man. Don't play with the ancestors. The ancestors, they are angry with us because we've defied them way too much. You feel me? But let's not go into all that shit right now. But hey, thank you guys for checking out this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video like I did. It was funny as fuck. I cracked a little bit of laughter. We laughed. It's good for the soul. And God, you feel me? But anyways, man, for real though, thank you for checking out this video. Yeah. Please give no, please, but whatever. If you want to give me a like, you can do that. If you want to give me a sub, you can do that as well. Sub cost 1 naira, cost 1 kobo. We don't even use kobo anymore, so you can just click on hold on. It's this easy. You just go from here, you just type click, you subscribe. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but that's not my channel though. But you can just go there and just click easy like this. Pew, pew. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, you just click on it, you subscribe, and you click on the notification icon or bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Because I'll be dropping video like constantly now, regularly type shit. You feel me? So I hope to see you on the next video though, and peace out, guys. We out.
With Miro, you can show your team, not just tell them. Miro is a shared canvas on which your entire team can work together.